Have you ever pondered why some individuals magnetize success, while others strive relentlessly? Let's journey together the captivating realm of the law of attraction and energy, a principle that has been a source of inspiration for thinkers, philosophers, and truth seekers for centuries. Today we embark on an exploration of this phenomenon, armed with an open mind and a fervent spirit, hoping to decipher the enigmas of the cosmos. Before we delve deeper, let's set the stage with some scientific facts. The universe, according to quantum physics, is a sprawling, limitless expanse of energy, pulsating at different frequencies. Now imagine yourself as a constituent of this vast universe, a micro-energy field, emitting your distinct frequency. Astonishingly, groundbreaking research in quantum physics suggests that these frequencies can interact, and that similar vibrations might attract one another. This correlation is the fundamental principle underpinning the law of attraction. The law of attraction postulates that positive or negative thoughts manifest into corresponding experiences in our lives. It's the powerful theory that our thoughts, emotions, and beliefs radiate a certain kind of energy that can magnetize similar energy. Essence, it's the doctrine that like attracts like. Have you ever observed how a jubilant individual tends to attract more joy, or how a pessimist always seems to encounter reasons to be pessimistic? It's no mere chance, it's the law of attraction in action, supported by the principles of quantum mechanics. Our thoughts and emotions generate energy, which can attract similar energy frequencies from the universe. In ways paralleling how a radio tunes into diverse frequencies to receive different stations, our minds attune to distinct energy frequencies based on our thoughts and emotions. If our mental state resonates with a positive frequency, we attract positive experiences. Conversely, if we are attuned to a negative frequency, we invite negativity into our lives. The law of attraction is about aligning yourself with the universe's energy. It's about acknowledging that your thoughts and emotions are potent instruments that can mold your reality, a theory reinforced by quantum physics. It's about recognizing that you are not a mere bystander in the grand scheme of things, but an active participant with the power to attract what you desire. So, given the potency of law of attraction and the energy it harnesses, how does it function precisely? Stay with us as we delve further into this compelling subject backed by scientific evidence in the forthcoming scenes. The law of attraction is not an enigmatic entity, but a principle grounded in energy and frequency. This principle has its roots in quantum physics, which posits that everything in our universe, from a massive star to a minuscule atom, comprises energy. This energy, be it in the physical or mental form, emits a certain frequency. Think of it as adjusting a radio. As a radio station operates on a specific frequency, so do our thoughts and emotions. When we calibrate our mental frequency to a particular station, we end up attracting a similar type of energy. Like attracts like, as it's often said. Our thoughts and emotions are not mere subjective experiences. They are potent signals, emanating a distinct electromagnetic signature. Scientifically speaking, the brain possesses billions of neurons. These are electrically excitable cells that transmit information. When these neurons get activated, they produce electrical changes in the environment around them, thereby generating an electrical field. This field can be detected and is conventionally referred to as a brainwave. Different mental states and emotions are associated with specific brainwave frequencies. Positive thoughts emit a different frequency than negative ones. Emotions like love, joy, and gratitude resonate at higher frequencies, whereas fear, anger, and sadness vibrate at lower frequencies. From a quantum physics perspective, every bit of matter and energy has a wave nature, as described by quantum mechanics. This wave nature leads to the concept of quantum superposition and entanglement, which form the foundation of how energy and frequency operate on the smallest quantum scale. This understanding isn't just theoretical, it has real-world repercussions. Consider success and failure, for example. Success isn't only about labor or fortune, it's also about the frequency of your thoughts and emotions. If you constantly entertain of success and feel the emotions linked with it, you're broadcasting a success frequency. The law of attraction maintains that this frequency will draw in situations, individuals, and resources that vibrate with success. Conversely, if your prevailing thoughts and emotions align with failure, you're transmitting a failure frequency. And as per the law of attraction, you'll magnetize experiences that resonate with failure. It's not that the universe is punishing you, it's merely responding to the frequency you're broadcasting. However, this doesn't imply that just thinking positive thoughts will make all your dreams materialize. It's not as simplistic as that. The law of attraction isn't a magic wand, It's a tool that necessitates comprehension and practice. Now that we know about the law of attraction, how do we put it to good use? Applying the law of attraction requires more than just positive thinking. It's a calculated mindset involving your thoughts, emotions, and actions all working in concert. Picture it as a triangle, with each point representing one of these three elements. Only when they are in perfect alignment can you effectively attract what you desire. Let's start with thoughts. The law of attraction is rooted in the idea that like attracts like. So if you want positivity life, your thoughts should be positive. But it's more than just thinking happy thoughts. It's about visualizing your goals, anchoring them in your mind's eye as if they're already a reality. Science supports this notion. In fact, a paper published in the Journal of Physiology suggested that mental rehearsal through visualization could be as effective as physical practice in altering our neural pathways, thus influencing our to align with our desires. Thoughts alone aren't enough. That's where emotions come into play. You need to feel what it would be like to achieve those goals. Feel the joy, the pride, the satisfaction. Your emotions need to be in sync with your thoughts, creating a potent energy that resonates with the universe. Studies in psychoneuroimmunology indicate that positive emotions can enhance your immune system, making you more resistant to illness and more prone to positive outcomes. The third point of the triangle is action. You can't just sit back and expect the universe to hand you everything on a silver platter. You need to take steps towards your goals. These actions reinforce your belief in the possibility of achieving what you desire and help you maintain a positive mindset. Belief and expectation play a crucial role in this process. You must truly believe that you can achieve your goals and expect them to manifest. This isn't about blind faith, but about having confidence in your abilities and the power of the law of attraction. So, how can you apply the law of attraction in your daily life? Start by setting clear, specific goals. Visualize them, feel the emotions associated with them, and take action towards achieving them. Practice gratitude as it helps maintain a positive mindset. In fact, a study published in Applied Psychology, Health and Well-Being, found that practicing gratitude can actually change the molecular structure of the brain, keeping the gray matter functioning and making us healthier and happier. Meditate to align your thoughts and emotions. And remember to be patient. The universe works in its own time, not ours. Now that you know how to apply it, what kind of outcomes can you expect? While the law of attraction can be an influential principle, it's not as simple as waving a magic wand. It's a sentiment that resonates with many, but how does it weave its way into our everyday life? Let's journey into the dichotomy of expectations and reality when we attempt to utilize the law of attraction. A common misconception is to view the law of attraction as a cosmic cash machine, spitting out whatever we wish for at a mere thought. But reality, much like the ever-changing phases of the moon, is a tad more intricate. The law of attraction doesn't promise you a brand new car or $1 million out of the blue. It's not a shortcut to success, nor is it a universal remedy for life's tribulations. When understood properly, the law of attraction can be seen more as a compass, directing us towards our desired path, aiding us in aligning our energy with our ambitions. This is where the science steps in. We understand from physics that everything in the universe, including our thoughts and feelings, are made of energy. According to the law of conservation of energy, energy cannot be or destroyed, it can only be changed from one form to another. Likewise, our thoughts, emotions, and intentions are energetic frequencies that can influence the world around us. The law of attraction isn't a wish-granting factory, but a method for energy alignment, synchronizing our vibrations with the universe's rhythms. It involves understanding our thoughts and emotions as energy, and that this energy has the potential to influence our reality. It's based on the scientific principle of resonance, where things of a similar frequency tend to sync up. The law of attraction demands action, commitment, and above all, belief. It's not enough to merely ponder upon what we yearn for. We must feel it, believe in it, and take steps it. Here, our energy serves as the nexus between our thoughts and the physical world, creating a synergy between our desires and our actions. In essence, the law of attraction is about aligning our thoughts and feelings with the energy of the universe, inviting us to attract what we genuinely desire. It's a tool, a guide, a way of life. It's about understanding our role in the universe, recognizing our potential to shape our lives, and harnessing this potential to craft the reality we crave. So are you ready to leverage the power of the law of attraction and energy as we understand it scientifically?